Should we get started? Morning, ladies.
Morning.
What do you say, I take flight out, you bring her back home?
It's great. That was me.
Let's check the summary. And beat.
One at a time.
You have an extra one of those.
Without a wheelchair to gate number 26, please. Skycap without a wheelchair to gate 26, please.
Hey, I just wanted to let you know that I'm on the 8 o'clock instead of the 9:20. I changed flights, so I'll be getting in around 11:15 or so. See you then, hon. Everything's fine.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to United's Flight 93 bound for San Francisco. We are now boarding first-class passengers, people with small children, and those otherwise needing assistance. It's a light flight today, so once first class is seated, we'll dispense with boarding by section. Please have your boarding cards ready. Have a nice flight. Have a nice flight. Nice flight.
Flight instructions?
Check.
Pressurization.
Check. Dead set for San Francisco.
Radio and radar.
Checked. On standby.
Left and right engine hydraulic pump switches.
Set.
Left and right electric hydraulic pump switches.
We're now boarding all rows of United's Flight 93 to San Francisco.
Excuse me. Can I go ahead and help you, please? I'm sorry. My plane leaves in 10 minutes. I'm sorry. I owe you all. Sorry. Thank you.
United's Flight 93 is now closed. All passengers should be on board at this time.
Whoa, hold up.
Just in time.
I made it.
Yes, you did.
Thank you.
Engine start switches. Check. Set. Check.
Thank you. Here you go. Have a great plane. Thank you. Welcome. Yeah.
Oh, excuse me. Can I grab one of those?
Absolutely.
Thanks.
On.
Transponder.
Transponder on.
Fire warning panel.
Check.
Left and right electric hydraulic pump switches.
The cabin
Set.
is secure.
Great. Lock her up. Ground flight deck.
Go ahead.
Brakes off. We're clear for pushback.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm Deborah Welsh. On behalf of Captain Dahl and the entire crew, I'd like to welcome...
Left engine normal.
United Flight 93, destination San Francisco.
Start right engine. Right engine normal.
Thank you for your cooperation. Have a great flight.
I'm glad it's live today. I was gonna call in sick. I took someone else's shift. My husband almost divorced me over it. Yeah? Yeah. He begged me to stay home and got mad at me when I didn't. I'd stayed home with mine and begged me. What was your excuse? Well, I want to be home for my son's first birthday.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the captain speaking. We're going to be another 15 minutes or so. That's the way it looks right now, folks. But we have a pretty good tailwind, so we should be able to make up some of the time in the air. Thank you. Glad I rushed.
Very.
Help you? Yeah, I can understand. That's flight day. Might as well split.
Matt, it's Mark. Thanks for driving. I made the plane. I'm sitting in first class drinking a glass of orange juice. The plane's gonna be 45 minutes late. Can you believe that? I'll call you when I get in. Bye.
Speed proceed direct. Celts expect radar vector ILS 4 right.
Steady, 215 is level 330. Coming in Gulf Stream 64, stand by that.
Heavy remain hold.
5 is level 330. Northwest 114.
Sector 3.
Maintain 11000.
US Airlines. We have some planes. Nobody moves. Everything will be okay. If you try to make any moves, you'll endanger yourself and the airplane.
Dan.
Just stay quiet.
American Flight 11, Boston. American Flight 11, Boston. Come in, please. Is that your call?
What we got?
We may have a hijacking. We've got a threatening transmission, probably intended for the cabin. Is anyone else on frequency? American 1-1, Boston Center. Come in, please. American 1-1, Boston Center. Come in, please.
Yeah, okay, I'll get back to you on that. American Boston.
Please listen very carefully.
This is Amy Sweeney on Flight 11. We've been hijacked. 2 attendants have been stabbed. We're off course.
Somebody's gonna meet her on the other end.
Hello? Amy, Amy, hello?
Yeah.
Hello, Amy.
She's 9 years old.
United 93, runway 22, right, clear for takeoff.
United 93, runway 22, right, clear for takeoff.
Do we know where it's headed? Any word from the cockpit?
Amy?
Hold on.
Yes, I have to speak very fast.
Okay, do you have any idea where you're headed?
No. People in coach think it's a routine emergency. We've asked for a doctor, but none's on board. They still think it's a heart attack.
Can you tell us anything more about the hijackers?
Yes, they have knives and mace. They say they have a bomb. They were in seats 3D, 5D, 1A, 3A. We're losing altitude pretty rapidly.
Okay, how are the people who were stabbed?
One flight attendant's okay. I'm not sure. The other may not make it. We have her on oxygen. Oh my God, something's wrong here!
What's happening? Amy, are you still there?
We're in rapid descent. We're all over the place.
Can you look out the window and tell us where you are? Do you recognize anything?
Amy, do you know you're headed toward Kennedy?
I see water, buildings. We're flying low. We're flying very, very low. We are flying way too low. Oh my God, we are...
Can you hear me? Amy? Amy, can you hear me, Amy? I think I lost her. Amy?
No, we've lost her.
Amy.
Is it cooked for you, sir?
Oh, yes. Thank you.
You're welcome. Would you like coffee or tea?
Tea.
Would you like some coffee or tea?
Some coffee. Great, thank you.
Can I get you anything else, sir?
No, thank you.
That's for you.
The second plane hit at 9:03, and many of those people were already at their desks. The
What's the
death
word
toll
you're
is
looking
going
for,
to be
Madison?
enormous, not taking into account the fire spreading to other floors. You know, fighting a fire that high, assuming the elevators were not working, you'd have to guess it would be difficult to contain the fire.
Yes, this is a huge tragedy, almost incomprehensible. Undoubtedly, this is terrorist related, but we can only guess as to how this particular attack was carried out. Did terrorists force the pilot to fly into the towers?
Yes,
Did they take over the controls themselves?
Drink your juice and don't watch the
They
TV, girls.
obviously were not planning on landing whoever it
No.
was, so it's possible they were in control. They most likely would have taken over the plane once it was in the air.
This is a sunny, clear day, so visibility would not be a problem. But it is hard to imagine.
Girls, watch your little sister. I'll be back in a minute.
You can message your wife back now if you want.
In a minute, we're coming on Cleveland Center.
Tomorrow's my anniversary.
No kidding, how many years?
5. I'm gonna surprise her, take her to London.
You better check this out. Beware cockpit intrusion. 2 aircraft hit World Trade Center.
Jesus. You better verify that.
Did you get it out? 2 sectors are covered. I'm working on the others. Any acknowledgements? They're coming in now.
Roger that.
You're welcome.
Are you all done there, sir? Can I get something for you?
No, sit down.
Stay calm. Be still.
Stay calm. We have bombs and guns.
Sit down. Come on, guys. Sit down. What's going on here?
Sit
down. Hold on.
Sit down.
Tell us what you want. Tell us what you want. We'll figure something out. Listen. It's okay.
Sit down.
Be still.
You'll remain still, please.
Be still. Don't move.
Don't move. Remain still.
You take a seat. You take a seat, cockpit. Go ahead. Look, I saw your look.
No.
Make them.
I can't do that.
Open the door. Look.
What is this guy doing? I didn't clear him for descent. Somebody call Cleveland. United 93, verify 350. United 93, verify your flight level is 350.
Quiet. Quiet.
What the hell was that? Just a little turbulence.
I know. What's going on here?
Gentlemen, I need you to please sit down. Everybody fasten your seatbelts. Thank you very much. Okay.
Okay.
Both towers are in flame. The south tower was struck just after 9 o'clock, and the plane entered several stories lower than the one that hit the north tower.
Good job.
If anything, there would be more fatalities in the south tower. Getting the people from the floors above the impacts will be difficult.
Hello?
I'd say if not possible.
Are you okay?
No, I'm not. I'm on a plane that's been hijacked.
Hijacked?
Yes. They just knifed a guy.
A passenger?
Yes.
I'll be right back. All right, sir. Stay calm, stay calm. Just a little turbulence.
Where are you? Are you in the air?
Yes, just listen.
Shut up! No, please.
Listen, our airplane has been hijacked. It's United Flight 93 from Newark to San Francisco. We're in the air.
The hijackers are saying there's a bomb on board. They've already knifed a guy. Please call the authorities.
Tom? Tom?
What comes to mind to me is Pearl Harbor, but the casualties here sadly could be greater. We certainly hope.
And Americans are among the best in the world, but this is definitely going to be a challenge.
United 93, verify your flight level is 350. United 93, verify your flight level is 350.
You know, one thing that I would assume is that is being closely watched is the possibility that other planes have been hijacked.
911, where's your emergency?
This is Dina Burnett in San Ramon. My husband just called from United Flight 93 to say that his plane has been hijacked.
I'm sorry, where'd you say he was?
He's on United Flight 93. He called me from his cell phone a minute ago. He said that his plane had been hijacked. A passenger has been killed and there's weapons on board.
Hold on, please. I'm going to transfer you.
No, wait.
Also think that there would be an order to ground all airplanes. This is Sergeant Ross with the Contra Police. You said a plane's been hijacked?
Yes, my husband called me from United Flight 93. He said that he...
You said your husband called from the plane? Who am I talking to?
Dina Burnett. Anna Claire. He said someone had been knifed.
Hold on a second, ma'am. I'm going to transfer you.
Wait, no,
This is Agent Franks of the FBI. What is your husband's name, ma'am?
Tom Burnett.
What is his occupation?
COO. He told me his flight has been hijacked.
I'm sorry, we're pretty busy right now, ma'am.
Anna Claire.
You're telling me your husband was on the, one of the planes that hit the World Trade Center?
No, I'm not. This flight is still in the air.
I'm sorry, ma'am. Can you
No,
clarify?
please just listen to me. Please. My husband, his plane did not go into the towers. He's on United Flight 93 and it's still in the air. This is a completely different flight.
Again, it is hard to fathom how you fight a fire on the 80th floor of a skyscraper.
We've notified NORAD.
United 93, Cleveland. United 93? United 93, if you hear the center, ident.
American 1060. Ditto also on the other transmission.
American 1060, you heard that shouting also?
We heard it twice.
Executive 956.
Go ahead, Executive 956.
Just answering your call. We could hear that yelling too.
Okay, thank you. We're just trying to figure out what's going on.
Everybody go to the back! Get up! Go to the back! Get up! Get up! Right now! Get up right now! I said get up!
Please,
Get up!
please,
I'm going!
please.
Move! Okay! What? Come on, go! Come on! We have a move to the back of the plane! We have a bomb! Shut up!
We're calling 93 a hijacking now. Let's isolate it on screen 1. How many people on board?
Pretty empty, 44. Took off at 8:42. It's traveling west at about 400 knots.
Are we in contact?
No, not since 9:27.
Keep trying to raise them.
I'm on it.
Saeed! Saeed! Shut up! Watch it. Move to the back! Shut up! Shh! Keep her quiet!
I tried to help him, but I couldn't get a pulse.
Tom, they're hijacking planes all up and down the East Coast. They're taking them or hitting the designated targets.
They've already hit both towers at the World Trade Center.
It's a suicide mission. They're flying planes into buildings up and down the coast. It's a suicide mission.
Who are you talking to?
Flying planes into buildings. My seatmate. All over the place. Do you know who's involved?
They don't know if it's commercial airliners. They're speculating cargo planes.
Private planes and commercial. No one knows.
How many planes are there?
They're not sure. At least 3, maybe more.
Do you know who's involved?
No.
Back to New York. Go back to the World Trade Center. No. No, wait. Wait, no. We're turning back the other way. We're going south.
What do you see?
I don't see anything. We're over a rural area. It's just fuel.
Hey, Tom.
Hey! Hey!
No, Tommy.
Is that Daddy, Mommy?
Yeah.
This is the captain.
We have a bomb on board. Sit down. Keep remaining seated.
United 93 calling. United 93, you're unreadable.
Say again slowly.
Executive 956. Sounded like he said there was a bomb on board.
Say again, you there, 93?
Sounded like someone said they have a bomb on board.
That's what we thought. We just didn't get it clear. Executive 956, aircraft transmitting at 12 o'clock, 15 miles. Turn left heading 225. I'll get you away from him.
It looks like he's climbing. Okay, I want to keep everybody away from him.
Okay, I think we got him in sight.
1989, I have traffic for you at 11 o'clock.
15 miles southbound, 41 climbing. Looks like he's
Turn east wide at 360.
This is the captain. We have a bomb on board.
We are going back to the airport. They have met our demands.
United 93.
Calling United 93.
Oh, I don't hear.
Understand you have a bomb on board?
هذا مفتخر غلط. هذا اسم المفتخر غلط.
United 93. Calling United.
This is the captain.
We have a bomb on board. We are going back to the airport.
They have met our demands.
Back to the airport? No way. No way.
Khalifon. Khala Raja.
ليك زياد ليك أمي أمو لنا
Go watch by the curtain. Go on. Hey.
Yes?
Joanne, it's me. It's Jeremy. Put Liz on the phone.
Yes, hang on. Liz? Mom? It's Jeremy. Come on, sweetie.
Jeremy, it's me. Are you okay?
Liz, there's some very bad men on board. The plane's been hijacked. There's 3 of them, Middle Eastern looking, maybe Iranian. They're threatening to blow up the plane.
Oh, okay. Did they hurt you?
No, they sent everybody to the back of the plane. One of them's got a bomb strapped to his waist. I can't believe this is really happening to me.
You'll be okay. You'll be okay.
I can't believe this. I can't believe this is really happening to me. They say they're gonna blow up the plane.
Oh my God. They've got a bomb, and Jeremy, he's on the plane.
Liz, I love you. I love you so much.
No, listen, Jeremy, it's okay.
I'll be strong. I'll be strong for you.
And you'll be okay. You have to believe that. You'll be okay.
Honest to God, Liz, I don't think I'm gonna make it out of here.
Don't be silly. That's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen, Jeremy. I won't let it.
So we gotta look at it as the same situation. They've already crashed plans.
I want you to know that whatever you decide to do.
Don't talk like that. I love you. We're gonna stay together. We'll work this thing out.
I need you to hold on. I need you to hold on for 1 second.
Jeremy.
Jeremy?
Hello?
Kathy, it's Mark. Put Mom on the phone.
Alice? It's Mark.
Hi, Mark.
Mother, it's Mark Bingham. I'm on a flight from Newark to San Francisco. 3 guys on board. They say they have a bomb.
A bomb? Mark, who are these guys?
The question is, can anybody fly a plane? That's paramount.
I can fly a single engine.
Mark, are you there?
This isn't single engine.
Can anybody on the ground talk you down?
Mark?
I don't know. I think so.
What's the alternative?
It's all we've got. Yes, what's the other?
Mark!
It's all we've got.
Mom?
What's your name? Don. I'm Green.
You believe me, don't you, Mother?
I believe you. Who are these guys?
Mother?
Mark? Are you there?
Mother?
Mark? Mark?
Resign ourselves to the fact that it's going off.
Yes, if you could come over right away, it'd be such a help. If you could take them to school. Thank you so much.
Apparently, the plane has struck the Pentagon. Here's live footage from the scene.
Jerry, eyewitnesses on Highway 110 saw a plane fly into the structure. It struck the southwest side, where there's now a gaping hole where it entered
Oh my God,
and exploded. People are evacuating the buildings as I speak.
Tom?
Dina.
Are you okay?
No, I'm not.
Anything else?
They just hit the Pentagon. I thought it was your plane.
What? Where is what? What? They just hit the Pentagon.
They just hit the Pentagon. What?
They think that 5 ships have been hijacked as they...
I believe that all of them are commercial planes. I haven't heard them say anything about which airline, but all of them originated on the East Coast.
Do you know who's above?
No.
What's the probability of them having a bomb on board? I don't think they do. I mean, I think they're just using that for crowd control.
Okay, a plane can survive a bomb, Tom, if it's in the right place.
Did you call the authorities?
Yes, they're here. They didn't seem to know anything about your plane.
Listen, we're gonna do something. We're putting a plan together.
Hey, who's helping you?
Just some people, different people. Don't worry, I'll call you back.
Get a run at it. There it is. Okay, we've got the car. We've got.
I've got a schematic of the plane here.
Okay, well, how wide is this corridor?
18 inches.
What about first class?
24 inches. That's 2 feet.
We'll go single file and spread out when we get to the galley.
I got the card.
Here is an aerial view of the Pentagon. You can see the southwest side of the building engulfed in smoke. This is the third airplane to have hit a building. They are all believed to have been commercial jets that were taken over by hijackers and flown
should we do,
into
Bob?
designated targets.
Should we call the police?
The police can't fly, Alice.
It's an attempt to demonstrate our vulnerability.
They hit the World Trade Center with hijacked planes, and they just got the Pentagon.
The main task at hand now is
Listen
to
to me,
determine
Alice.
if there are any other
You've got to call Mark on his cell phone, all right? And tell him this is a suicide mission. Tell him they have to do whatever they can to try and get control of the plane back.
15 minutes ago.
We can call the police afterwards. Tell Mark that they have to get that plane back. Tell him this is a suicide mission.
Hours to get them all down, particularly in landing strips at major airports.
The circuits are busy.
And we assume he is
Try again.
which is the most secure place he could be. He was reading to a group of elementary school students where he...
You know it. He's too scared.
Better boy your car.
Yeah, try to get others on what's going on.
Thanks. I got it.
Nice.
My wife was a flight attendant. She said a plane can survive a bomb. That was all right.
Nice. Thanks. No.
This is Lisa Jefferson, shift supervisor. I understand your plane's been hijacked?
Yes. I'm Todd Beamer. I'm on United Flight 93. We're over Ohio, maybe. The hijackers have knives, and they're in the cockpit flying the plane, I guess.
How many passengers are aboard this flight?
Maybe 40. 2 are lying in the corridor.
The captain and first officer.
The captain and the first officer. I don't know if...
Just get the car back.
Are you still there?
Yes, I'm here.
Todd? If at any time you think your life is threatened, lay down the phone, but don't hang up.
Leave the line open.
No, I'm okay. I can talk. Do you know what they want? Money?
Or ransom or what?
No, I don't.
We're going down! We're going...
thought we were going down. Are you there?
Yes, I'm here. I'll be here as long as you need me.
Wait, hold on a second, okay? I'll be back. Yeah.
Honey, are you there? Jack? Pick up, sweetie. Oh, well. I just wanted to tell you that I love you.
We're having a little problem on the plane. I'm totally fine.
I love you more than anything. Comfortable, and I'm okay for now.
Just a little problem. I love you. Please tell my family that I love them too.
Bye, honey. It's your turn. I know your mother will want to talk to you, Elizabeth. What's her number? I'll dial it.
And then at 9:27, a third plane.
All right. What's the latest? Looks like there's a fourth plane on its way here, too. A United plane, Flight 93. They're estimating it's 25 minutes from downtown.
Has NORAD been notified?
We don't know yet. I called FAA Herndon. They said they're working on it.
Working on it? Where's the vice president?
They're bringing him over from Blair House now.
It's evident that we were under attack. We were under attack.
FAA just gave an order to ground all planes.
How many are still up?
Total 4,500, but we've been bringing ours in.
What's the present airspeed on 93?
It's over 450 knots.
What, 12,000 feet? The aircraft could break up at that speed.
It's possible.
This really is unprecedented. I guess you could go back to Pearl Harbor, but we really don't know if it's over. This is an entirely different type of enemy. And what we know so far is 3 buildings have been hit.
Hello? Mom? It's me, Elizabeth. Hello, darling. Are you okay? Mom, we've been hijacked and I'm calling to say goodbye.
We have to remind ourselves that this has been a coordinated attack.
Why would you want to do that? Mom, do you know what's going on?
Evacuating the Pentagon is, of course, far less problematic than the Twin
No.
Towers. There doesn't seem to be a way to get
Elizabeth,
off the top of the building. And
I have my arms around you, and I am holding you, and I love you. I feel your arms around me, and I love you too. Mom, we're being hijacked, and I'm not gonna come home. Elizabeth, darling, I want you to listen to me. We don't
know how things are going to turn out, so...
Let's just be here.
In the present.
Let's look out the window at the beautiful
sky and let's just
breathe. And let's take a few deep breaths.
This guy is so frightened. Gather anything you can. Let's go to salt water. Please. We're gonna vote soon. I don't know what to do.
We'll figure it out together.
It's true. About the Trade Center?
Yes. You know I wouldn't lie to you.
Liz, are the hijackers blowing up planes?
No.
You sure? They said they got a bomb on our plane.
I haven't heard that.
Are they gonna blow up this plane? I mean, they said they would.
I don't think so, Jeremy.
Are they gonna crash us into the World Trade Center?
No. No, the towers. No, they won't do that.
Why not?
They've done that.
Will someone please tell us what's happening? We need to know.
How do you know this is gonna work?
We need discuss it. There's a guy with a bomb up there, yes. 2 planes in the Trade Center, 1 in the Pentagon. It's the same fate here, okay? We have to keep it coming. There's no other choice.
What should we do? Should we retake the plane?
How many of them are there?
3, 4. Jesus, I love you. Oh, Jesus, I want to hold you so much.
I love you too, Jeremy. Do they have guns?
No. Knives. I mean, there's 3 passengers on board. Not as big as me. I think maybe...
There are no guns.
Now, they would have shown them to us.
Then I think you should do it.
We all
okay.
do everything we can now before it's
I'll use my plastic butter knife.
Todd? Todd?
Stay there. Don't get off, Liz.
Jeremy, what are you doing? What's that noise?
Stay there.
Jeremy! Jeremy! Oh, God.
Personnel is still being evacuated from the Pentagon. The largest office.
Okay. Yeah, got it. Keep me posted. So no one at Langley knows where that flight is.
And Andrews, have they scrambled too?
We haven't reached them, but they asked for a heads up on that.
Who? Andrews?
They asked the FAA if any orders have been given to intercept Flight 93 as of 09:36 hours.
Who are they talking to?
I heard in Command Center. It's being routed through there, sir.
Okay, get through to NORAD. Let's see if we can get a read on this before it gets here.
We now have a report that United Airlines is worried about 2 flights still in the air. United 1166 out of Logan and United 93 out of Newark. We do not have any information about their location other than that they both took off before 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. They have not responded to the emergency order to land their respective aircrafts. 93 was en route to San Francisco.
What's the voicemail?
There is amazement all over Washington. The Pentagon has been hit and other potential targets.
Mark, this is your mother. Well, apparently it's terrorists, and they're hell-bent on crashing the aircraft. So, if you can, try to take over the aircraft. There doesn't seem to be much of a plan to landing the aircraft normally, so group some people and perhaps
Do your best to take control of it. I love you, sweetie. Good luck. Goodbye.
United 93. United 93, do you hear Cleveland? United 93 calling? United 93. United 93, Cleveland.
American 1060 and Executive 956. We just lost the target on that aircraft.
Executive 956, we had a visual on it. Stand by.
You have a visual on it now? 45. We lost the transponder.
We did, but we lost it on the turn.
You can make a turn.
Back to 220 heading. Let me know if you see him.
He's still there. We got him. 956.
See a show of hands. Question. Okay. Yes. Of course. Anybody else? Yes. Okay.
نرجع للكوكبيت.
Let's go. Come on. Get the hot water in the lights. Okay.
سير والركاب جايين هلا
واقف برا ما إلي نيبلي
مسكين انها حقيقيه
خلص لازم نتكلم بإرادة الله أحمد الله بدي أحمد السيد ماي هون هيب هيب الله معك الله معك الله أخبر
You are looking at a 5D from a helicopter circling the trade center. You can see the extent of the damage. The south tower was struck at least.
Tom?
Anything now?
No.
How are the kids?
They're fine. They're outside playing. They want to talk to you.
Tell them I'll talk to them later, okay?
I called your parents. I told them that your plane had been hijacked.
Shouldn't have worried them. How are they doing?
They're okay. Your sisters are with them.
We're waiting till we're over a rural area. We're gonna take back the airplane.
What? No, no, no. Just sit down, be still, be quiet. Don't draw attention to yourself.
Dina. They're gonna take us into the ground. We've got to do something. It's up to us to do it. No one else can.
What do you want me to do?
Pray, Dina. Just pray.
I love you.
Don't worry. We're gonna do something.
Okay. Okay.
I'll call you back.
And how close to the impact, and as you mentioned, whether or not Tlak would
Whoa, keep going. Think you can.
We're gonna do this. Let's go. All right, everyone.
Mom?
I'm here, Elizabeth.
It makes me so sad to think that it's gonna be so much harder for you than it is for me.
Okay.
I'm just sitting here being quiet. I'm not even talking.
We don't have to talk. We're together.
We have an update. We think planes from Selfridge are 23 minutes from contact with Flight 93.
That's outside 93 CTA, isn't it?
No one knows for certain. The estimation is that 93 is 19 minutes to the capital.
Well, then the fighters are going to have to engage it inside DC airspace. Okay, contact EADS, see if they can execute the order in time. Have you been in touch with Langley?
The jets are circling overhead, but they don't have their orders to engage 93 yet, just for general protection.
Oh, somebody better issue them.
No, that's all we know.
Please tell my children that I love them very much. I'm sorry, I don't know what to say. I'm trying to stay calm. I hope I get to see your faces again. I love you.
I already called mine.
Lisa, you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Lisa, you call my wife and kids. And you tell them just in case.
I'll tell them what you told me.
What do you think, Lisa? Should we do it?
I stand behind you, Todd.
Lisa, do me a favor.
Of course.
Say the Lord's Prayer with me.
Right now, Todd? Okay. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name.
Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven.
Give us this day our daily bread.
Forgive us of our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us.
Lead us not into temptation,
But deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom,
and the power, and the glory, forever and ever.
Amen.
Amen.
You ready?
Okay.
Let's roll.
Todd, are you still there?
Okay. I got the marks.
Elizabeth?
I gotta go, Mom. Everyone's getting ready to go to the cockpit. I love you. Goodbye. Elizabeth, no!
United 93, calling United 93. You there, 93?
Cleveland.
United 93.
Cleveland, this is Sergeant FAA. Do you have a position on Flight 93? 1 minute, please. Presently around 10 miles west of Johnstown, doing around 400 knots. Thank you. What's your VHF? 121.8 megahertz. Do you have any information on the intercept of that plane? Negative at the moment. Thank you.
What did he say?
Nothing.
Dixie, this is Siegfried. Do you copy?
Dixie.
We expect a read on objective momentarily.
Maintaining course south-southeast at 121.
Copy that, Dixie. This is Max Scott here. What's your readiness status?
Beg your pardon, sir?
In case you have to engage.
Could you, repeat that, sir?
Yes, what's your readiness status in case you have to shoot it down?
We have 20 millimeters. Didn't have time to take on sidewinders before we scrambled. We may be able to cripple it. I guess if it comes to that, we can always ram it.
Roger that. Stand by.
132's on the ground. Anything?
Nothing yet. I'll try a hard copy.
It is collapsing, just unbelievable, falling apart, my God. The World Trade Center, over 100 stories, vanishing before our eyes. That would be the South Tower, correct?
Yes, the
And
South Tower.
you know that there have to still be people in there, firemen and police as well. The debris from the collapse is just enormous, engulfing the entire area. We have to
Oh, that's great. Oh, that's great. That's a great idea. Listen, yeah.
I'm Tom. Oh my God, we're getting low. We gotta
Somebody secure these.
I go.
This cart's really gonna be moving.
All right. Oh my God, man.
Ready? Go. Ready?
Todd? Todd?
181.
Cleveland, look out your window at 10 o'clock. Do you see a United 757 in the vicinity?
Oh, yeah, I see him. It's about 6 miles northwest. Moving pretty fast.
We don't have control of that aircraft.
It's rocking back and forth.
Take evasive action.
Get out of there, please.
Colonel, we got a visual spotted from a private plane. 93 is 10 to 12 minutes away, sir.
United 93. United 93, if you hear the center ident. United 93. United 93.
I got it. United 93. United 93 Cleveland, do you still hear the center? United 93, do you still hear the center? United 93, do you still hear Cleveland? United 93 Cleveland.
Dixie, flight's down. Down as in landed?
Negative. Down as in some field.
Roger that.
Planes have been landing at various airports in the United States and Canada, but at the time the order was issued, there were over 4,500 en route to their scheduled destinations. There are flights that the airlines are worried about, one of which could be heading toward Washington, D.C. Well, we will keep you updated on the situation as more information is available. In the meantime, watch.
plane in there?
We don't know yet.
What do you mean?
We're still looking for it. First, we thought it was in the hole, but there's nothing in there. Must have landed in the woods, but we haven't located it yet.
We're talking about a 757. A huge airplane.
Yeah, we know. You can help us look for it if you like.
Manhattan, and there's the horrifying possibility that the North Tower will fall as well. Excuse me, we're just getting this word in that a fourth plane has crashed. It is believed to be United Flight 93 that was en route to San Francisco. It was flying southeast on a path heading towards Washington, D.C. We don't have any information as to the cause of the crash, but we will keep you informed. Again, this would be the fourth plane taken over by terrorists. We don't have any information as to the cause of the crash, but we will keep you informed. Again, this would be...
Lisa, release the call. Release the call, honey.
Here's where we stand at this moment. 4 planes have crashed. 2 in the World Trade Center, 1 in the Pentagon, and the 4th in the Eastern. Now, there is virtually no traffic in the air. No aircraft appear to be grounded. Rescue operations are underway in New York and Washington, D.C. As of yet,
And this will take months. A massive effort that will tax the resources of our greatest city. But as you know, New Yorkers have that ability to pull together in times like this. This city will rebuild, and no doubt new towers will be constructed. And I would assume there will be a response, a military response to this event. It would seem to be terrorist related, and if it has any connection with the empty bombing of the USS Hlum or the World Trade Center bombing in 1993, this points very directly to the phenomenon.
You can see people covered in dust and debris leaving the area. The scale of the buildings and their horrifying collapse has covered the lower part of Manhattan with a cloud of smoke. Smoke inhalations are widespread as several square blocks have been covered in dust and debris. The remains of these once majestic towers. Rescue efforts
The plane must have impacted at such a speed, and the resulting explosion so intense.
the entire area, of course, is being searched for evidence, as well as for the voice recorder